To start the registration, go through the referral link in the official Atleta Network account. Click Join and go to the MEXC website. Enter your email or phone number. Create a strong password with more than 10 characters, including letters and numbers. Make sure to check the referral code field. If the code is not specified, enter it manually, MEXC Atleta. Tick the checkbox to confirm agreement with the terms and click Sign Up. Complete the robot verification. Slide the CAPTCHA bar. Confirm your email or phone. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your email or SMS. Done. You are registered on the website. Go to your profile. Hover over the profile icon and select Identification. Select Primary KYC. Click Verify via Web. Choose your country and document type, passport, ID, or driver's license. Upload photos of the document. The photos must be clear with visible corners. After uploading the document, click Submit for review and wait for the result. Verification takes up to 24 hours. To check that your identity has been verified, go to your personal account. Next to your username, you will see the status verified. Go to the main page of MEXC, hover over Deposit and select On-Chain Deposit. In the Select Crypto field, choose USDT. In the Network field, select Tron TRC20. The site will display a deposit address. Click Copy. Open the Tron Link extension in your browser. Click the Send button. Paste the copied address into the recipient field. Click Next. In the Token field, select TRC20 filter and the USDT token. The minimum amount required to activate the account is 30 USDT. Check all the details and click Send. Make sure your wallet has TRX to pay fees on the TRC20 network. Click Sign. Once the transaction is confirmed, click Confirm. Wait a few minutes for the funds to arrive in your exchange account. Now transfer the funds to the Futures wallet. In the top menu, hover over Futures and select USDTM Futures. Then go to the Trade Settings section and click the Crypto Transfer icon. In the From field, select Spot. In the To field, select Futures. Choose USDT and enter the amount. For example, all $30. Click Transfer. Now we have $30 in the Futures account. Adjust the leverage. Click on X20, select for example X2, and then click Confirm. Select the order type. Market to open a trade at the current price. Enter the trade amount from $10. Click Open Long if you expect the price to rise, or Open Short if you expect it to fall. Click Open Long. The trade is open. In the Open Position section, you can track the result. To close the position, click Flash Close. And Close Long. Done. The account activation is successfully completed.